Hello, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, I want to share with you how to go about redeeming the 100K YouTube Creator Award. By the end of this video, you will be acquainted with what the process looks like. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I do have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. With that being said, let's get right on into this. I'm going to take it from the very top. We have to hit that 100K subscriber milestone on YouTube in order to qualify for the first YouTube Creator Award. Just to confirm, if our channel has not hit 100K subscribers, then we're not eligible for the first Creator Award. Once we do hit the 100K subscriber milestone, you're going to receive an email, and when mine came in, it looked like this. So you can see it says YouTube creators, redeem your YouTube Creator Award. When we open up this email, we are going to be greeted with a congratulations and the instructions that we need to follow, so that way we could apply and redeem our Creator Award. I'm not entirely sure how the Creator Award redeeming process used to be. This is the current process as of July 2023. So you can see that it is only 4 steps. We have to go to a website, and within this email we are given a code, and that's the code that we are going to be using to redeem our Creator Award. Step 1 tells us to head to the Society Awards website, and then step 2 actually has our redemption code. For the sake of this video, I blurred mine out, but you will see your redemption code right there where you see a blank, and then you're going to enter that into the Society Awards website. When you navigate to the Creator Awards website, you're going to see that it looks like this, and then when you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a little blank field there where you get to input your redemption code. All we have to do from here is copy and paste our redemption code into this blank field and then hit Redeem Award. The next page after this is where we're going to put in our channel name that we want on the plaque, and then after that page we're going to be taken to another page where we put in our shipping information. I also want to confirm that when I finished this entire process, the checkout was still at $0, so I didn't pay anything to redeem the Creator Award. The process is streamlined and very simple. Copy paste the redemption code into here. It's going to take us to another page where we put in the plaque information. The page after that is the shipping information. Once I've done all of that and submitted everything, I got this email right here. And that right there is how I went about redeeming my YouTube 100K subscriber Creator Award. We have to keep in mind that when we are wanting to redeem the Creator Award, we have to wait for that email. That email is going to have our redemption code. We can't proceed to redeem the award without the redemption code. I just wanted to confirm and reiterate that we have to wait for that Creator Award email to be sent to us. Once we get that email, we can begin to follow the process to redeem our award, and it really is that simple. However, if you have any questions at all, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would greatly appreciate your support. With that being said, thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.